Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to merge shapes in PowerPoint presentation. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to merge shapes in PowerPoint presentation. When you are in PowerPoint, click Insert. After that, Shapes, and then select the shape you want. Okay, for example this one, and then draw it in the slide. And then again we insert shapes. We will select another shape and then draw it here. Okay, now we have two shapes. To merge shapes in PowerPoint, first select the shape you want to combine, and after that here shape format, and then merge shapes. You have here different options. Number one, union. It looks like this. And then another, combine. 3, fragment. And then intersect. And the last one, subtract. Okay, just select the one you want. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to merge shapes in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.